SERV stock analysis update. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. This thing is up 9% for the day. SERV Robotics, like I'm still will take it to the highs, but the only case in which I do that is the following. Like, let me go to SERV. This was a prediction which was called out all before time. It doesn't happen. The second option is if it comes inside the demand zone and gives a double break there, and if that doesn't happen, then I'm not buying, you know. So, and what happened? I mean, we came exactly into the demand zone, and then unfortunately never gave me a double break, which kind of sucks, but it just kind of went without me. But you can see the idea was quite correct. Now we still have a good bullish trend. I'd still double down on the bullish momentum and still wait for a demand tap. And if the price taps inside the zone and gives the rules, only then I'd still take it higher. So that's simply it. If you want to learn the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions for me, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars.